What can we do for you? We can lower costs and increase productivity in all production processes. We support you with the most advanced technology and coordinated service packages. Here is what we can do. With new standards for processing highly active APIs and wash-in-place systems. With new quality standards, highest output and full control over all process steps in capsule filling. As well as with reliable solutions for continuous tablet manufacturing. Everything we do improves the lifetime efficiency of your production. We look forward to seeing you at ACHEMA 2018.